Need to get the cyber shot in. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I'm not wearing a hat. How are you, sweetie?
Good, sweetie.
So, I wanted to steal some of your time today. I want to take you out on your own car, the Model S Plaid.
Lucky me.
And what I want to see is how someone that does not use FSD, and I know...
I don't even know what FSD is.
Full self-drive, which is basically autopilot. It's autopilot. It's just a robot. Think about.
I don't even use autopilot. I don't cruise control. Like,
so why?
Well, what is the point of using it?
You don't have to do anything.
Then what's the point of having a car? Like, I like feeling like I can drive a car, even though.
What if you could have a driver? What if you could have a driver whenever you wanted it? Whenever you were tired, you were coming from a meeting, a 2-hour-long meeting, or a longer meeting, whatever makes you tired, and then you were like, I don't want to drive back home, and it's going to take me 2 hours. There's a lot of traffic. What if in that case you could just put it in autopilot and take you home? Would that not be nice?
In that scenario, sure, but the likelihood of me needing that is so slim because I go to bed early, I don't go out late, and I don't really drink. But you, on the other hand,
I need this.
You need it.
I need this to work. So Elon better fucking hurry up. So what I want to do is that he's just releasing right now versions that are so much better because he's got before he had a limitation, which is how much computing power he could throw behind the system. That means how much they can process that information and how they can put it in the car and make it drive itself, right? Okay. So now it's getting really good. And now we have one of those versions that are supposed to be getting close to full automation. So I just want to take you out. I want to take someone that doesn't use this.
I thought it already, that it works.
Yeah, it works, but it's not 100%. Like, you'll see. You'll see.
I already don't like this.
I already like nervous. It. I think you're going to be fine.
I'm going to hate it.
This is why I want to do it with you. Because I feel like you are someone who is completely opposed, and I want to show people how simple it is. I might be wrong, but I want to see what you feel.
I just feel like it's really lazy.
What's lazy?
Just you can't even drive your own car.
Sorry, guys. That's my wife, okay? So if you have something bad to say, put it in the comments down below.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't say it.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm saying don't say it. But either way, I would take this, but I already paid for the autopilot, but he doesn't have it yet.
Oh, pobrecito.
So, yes, thank you. So we're going to take your Model S.
Great.
Fucking gross.
Feeling attacked with all these cameras. Why are we getting all these angles?
We only need 2 angles. The one on the back watching you
Why?
here.
You never put this. Why is this here?
Because the car drives itself, so you're not going to do anything. So we want to make sure that we get your full body reaction when you do. Now, I'm going to put a destination on the navigation. That's how it works. We have the latest and greatest FSD version right here.
I want to know what destination you're putting.
Crystal Cove.
You don't know
Crystal
anything.
Cove.
Wow.
Crystal Cove. Crystal Cove. That's where we're going to go. It's only 2.7 miles from here. It says that we will be there in 9 minutes, which I think it's fair. And yeah, we're just gonna roll.
Okay.
Now, you gotta pay attention, like you're driving the car.
Obviously.
And if you see anything dangerous, you can brake, accelerate, move the wheel.
So my foot should not be like right now. It's
you're gonna let go
violently
of everything.
on the brake.
You're gonna let go of everything. Are you ready for this?
No.
No one is, but I think we should go. Okay.
I fucking hate this.
Keep one hand on the wheel just lightly, and the car's gonna do everything for you. It knows.
Does Belen know about when it tells you to move the steering wheel a little bit?
Yeah, I don't know anything, sir.
Yeah, I'll tell her.
This is my nightmare. This is my nightmare.
Why?
I'm so uncomfortable. I don't fucking trust it. This feels so unnatural. Look how tense my foot is.
Well, clearly. And then every now and then just apply a little force to the steering wheel.
Oh, why?
Just a little. Just rest your hand on it. There you go.
Why?
So that it knows that you're consciously looking at what's happening.
I thought this was like...
You're not doing anything. You're just literally touching it a little bit. You're not doing anything. You're letting the car drive itself. How's so far your experience?
I'm very uneasy.
Nice.
I'm very uneasy.
This is very good.
Look how tense my hands are.
Good. Keep paying attention.
I thought the whole point was not to pay attention.
Well,
like,
right now,
my chauffeur.
Right now it's called supervised. So you need to be the supervisor for the FSD, okay?
I will say, as a passenger, this is scary back here.
It is
I
great.
feel way better in the driver's seat with FSD.
No one feels good right now.
We all do. What's this? It's okay. It's okay. There you go. You went through. You don't have to press anything. Ah!
This is fucking torture.
This is incredible. Remember to put a little bit of force.
You only do it whenever it blinks when it tells you to. You don't have to always do it.
Have you done this?
Yeah.
And you enjoyed this
Does
ride?
it all the way from his house to our
You
house.
enjoy this?
In the driver's seat, yes. In the passenger seat, no.
What a cop out. What?
It's a signal. It's a sign.
Well,
I want to drive.
G-Wagon has nothing to do with this.
I want a driving experience. I don't want this bullshit of like, oh, look at me. I don't have to use my
You
hands.
don't think it's incredible that you're just sitting in the car without doing anything
I think
and it's
it's
driving itself like you're in the future, son?
It feels like the Jetsons. And I
Yes.
just can't get fucking on board. Like, we're making us. Exactly, Sergio! I'm very stressed out. We're turning.
Why?
Tesla's going to 0.
Why? This is so good. I feel even safer than when you're driving right
Fuck
now.
off. Okay? You know what? Drive yourself back when you're drunk, which is.
Well, this will allow me to do so.
Fine, you can do that tonight.
When Daddy Elon goes, Alejandro,
But
I'm gonna
I
take
don't
the wheel.
understand. Isn't this what you're talking about, or this still isn't the final version?
Well, he's got to get to a better version so he can get to the final. I'm showing you something in between so that you understand how good this is.
And you want me to be relaxed, even though this isn't the final version?
Yeah, it's fine. You'll see. Babe, have you had any problems right now? The car's doing pretty damn well right now.
I'm pretty uncomfortable. It's a pretty uncomfortable experience.
Well, that's because, there are certain things I can't do for you.
We got a 2-lane left turn coming up, though, and those are scared. Ooh, it's just merging.
All right, here we go, sweetie. You don't have to go with the turn. You don't have to go with the turn. You just put it when you're going straight. You just relax your arm.
There is nothing relaxing about this experience.
What are you talking about?
I am an uptight person, and
Yeah.
this is, I don't go with the flow, you know?
Well, I think it's doing a fucking fantastic job at bringing
Fantastic
you.
job.
Everyone is nervous in this
Fantastic.
car, specifically me and Sergio.
Fantastic job.
I feel a little better now,
right?
but still,
I think this is pretty fucking prime time,
none of my
dude.
coffee has spilled, so it's been a smooth drive.
I don't know what I put on the map.
It's taking
I
us
must have
to the
put this
park.
Crystal Cove, but you can basically stop it right here.
Can I stop it?
Yeah.
Because I'm nervous.
Where's the brake? Now it's you driving.
Great.
You didn't have to go in.
Oh,
Now
well,
you can make a U-turn.
we're going in. Sergio can see this beautiful view.
Let me tell. Autopilot or something. We fucked up, honestly, and we took a different exit. We put a wrong address on the map, but the drive was perfect. Just letting Elon know everything was good. Just tell this guy you're gonna make a U-turn there.
Wow.
I gotta
Absolutely.
tell Elon what's wrong with this. So, now that we're done with this self-drive,
And we didn't get arrested because I made a U-turn.
no, exactly. We didn't get arrested because you made a U-turn.
You're very
How do you
dramatic.
feel about it?
No.
What do you mean no?
Maybe if I'm there and you're here, I'll feel better. That was not an enjoyable experience for me because I was very nervous.
Oh my god.
I have to get used to it. It's the first time. Listen, okay, you made me transition to full electric, which was, that itself was like climbing Mount Everest. So it's like little by little, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I don't
Should I
like,
buy you a Game Boy too, so you can get adapted to the PlayStation 5?
I don't like games like that.
You guys see the problem?
I'm like, just,
So, would you do this again?
absolutely not. I
So
will
you love-
never do this by myself.
So you love it, and now
I would
you're
have
saying
to do
Elon,
and,
great job.
And by the way,
in creating
I
cars that drive
can't
themselves.
even imagine what this would be like at night. I'd probably like
It's even better.
projectile vomit from
It's
nerves.
even better.
No, because I don't have great vision and I'd be
You might want
freaking
to pull
out.
forward and engage the light.
I'm
FSD
gonna
would've done that.
fucking
So no, this is a no for you.
a hard no.
I thought it was pretty good. I'll say this, my review on it, driving as a co-pilot and understanding and seeing how smooth it was, it's a way better driver than you are. Thank you very much for watching, guys.